Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, so let's do it, and now let's tap on the settings, which are in the on the second position on the status bar. Now let's focus on the hourglass icon, which is right here, and it is our timer. Now it is off, but after tapping on it once, we can set 3 seconds. After tapping on it again, 5 seconds, again 10 seconds, and again 15 seconds delay. So as you can see, we've got actually 5 different options to choose from. So let me check the 15 seconds, or maybe not, because it's quite long. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. Let's get back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, this device will count down from 10, and after that time, it will take a photo. Okay, the screen just flashed, so it means that we just took a photo. Let's check another option. So let me pick, for example, maybe 5 seconds. Let's go back and tap on it, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. Okay, now let's turn it off. So just tap until you'll see this hourglass, and from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any delay. So actually, that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.